Everybody knows the basic meaning of grip, I guess. It means to hold tightly. Grip Today I'm gonna share another beautiful meanings and the use of the grip. So let's get started. When an emotion grips you, you feel it strongly. For example, I was gripped by the movie. So the movie was so interesting that you couldn't stop watching. The movie emotion strong right? So I was gripped by the movie. I was gripped by this novel. So this novel was so interesting that I couldn't stop reading. Emotion strong and then she was gripped by fear while he got furious. Emotion strong he was gripped by sadness while he lost his dog. And then the mother was gripped by happiness when she had her daughter's exam results. And then the children had been gripped by joy when they heard about the trip. Emotion strong Get a grip on yourself. Get a grip on yourself means to make an effort to control your emotions and behave more calmly. Get a grip on yourself. For example, it's a small mistake. Get a grip on yourself. You look so nervous. Get a grip on yourself. If you don't get a grip on yourself, you will make the situation worse. Grip ဆိုတဲ့စကားလုံးလေးရဲ့အသုံးကိုမျှဝေပေးသွားဖြစ်ပါတယ်. Thank you. See you in the next video.